NewsRme. UN meeting seeks agreement on a zero-emissions goal for aviation. As the UN Aviation Organization meets for the first time since the COVID-19 outbreak, countries have been encouraged to move beyond mere intentions and establish a goal of zero net emissions for air travel. Tuesday, at the start of the International Civil Aviation Organization's ICAO Assembly, the president of the ICAO Council, Salvatore Sciacchitano, said that simple ambitions are no longer adequate in terms of our climate, the health of our planet, and the survival of all its species. When difficulties face mankind on a genuinely global scale, as they most surely do now, aviation is expected to be at the forefront of our collective global response, according to Sciacchitano, who chairs one of the agency's two governing committees. The triennial ICAO conference followed a preliminary meeting in July that urged the organization's 193 member nations to strike an agreement to attain zero carbon emissions by the year 2050.